Modern life has conditioned us to spend nearly 90% of our time enclosed within four walls. We breathe recycled air, stare at artificial light, and often feel a lingering sense of exhaustion that no amount of sleep seems to cure. What if creating a peaceful, restorative sanctuary did not require a major home renovation or expensive air purifiers? What if the ultimate secret to a calmer mind and a healthier body was simply bringing the outside in? Today, we are exploring 10 incredible plants that quietly work around the clock to elevate your physical wellness and mental clarity. These are not just aesthetic decorations used to fill an empty corner. They are living, breathing companions that actively filter toxins from your environment, regulate indoor humidity, and trigger deep psychological comfort. By the end of this video, you will understand exactly how to partner with these botanical healers to completely transform the energy of your home. Let us begin the countdown at number 10. Let us start with a plant that brings pure joy and incredible biological resilience to any room, the spider plant. When you look at this beautiful specimen, you immediately notice its arching leaves gracefully spilling over the edges of its container. The true magic happens when it produces its signature offspring. Delicate stems shoot outward, carrying miniature plants that dangle like living ornaments. Biologically, this plant is an absolute powerhouse. During the famous NASA Clean Air study, the spider plant was identified as one of the most effective natural filters, capable of removing airborne toxins like formaldehyde from your indoor atmosphere in mere days. Psychologically, it brings a deeply playful and abundant energy to your space. Seeing a plant effortlessly produce new life offers a subconscious feeling of hope and continuous growth. Furthermore, it is completely safe for households with curious pets. Provide bright, indirect light and allow the soil to dry out before watering. It is a phenomenal low-maintenance companion that cleans your lungs while lifting your spirits. But what if you need a plant that actively protects your sleep and guards your personal boundaries? Enter the snake plant, a masterpiece of architectural beauty. While most plants absorb carbon dioxide during the day, the snake plant operates on a totally different evolutionary schedule. It performs a unique nighttime photosynthetic process, meaning it actively absorbs carbon dioxide and releases pure oxygen right while you are sleeping. This specific nocturnal behavior makes it the ultimate botanical companion for your bedroom. Mentally, its tall, upright, sword-like leaves create a strong sense of architectural protection. In spatial psychology, strong vertical lines denote boundary setting and security. Placing a tall snake plant in your room is like having a silent night watchman standing guard. It is also nearly indestructible. The snake plant thrives on neglect, tolerating extremely low light environments and requiring water only once every few weeks. This resilience teaches us a profound lesson in mindfulness, showing us that true strength comes from quiet stillness. But what if you are a complete beginner and you need an immediate confidence boost in your plant care journey? The golden pothos is your ultimate reward. This trailing vine is legendary for its incredibly fast growth rate and its unstoppable will to survive. As it vigorously pushes out new foliage, it acts as a highly efficient biological vacuum, pulling harmful volatile organic compounds directly out of your stagnant indoor air. Psychologically, the golden pothos offers unparalleled instant gratification. In a world where progress often feels slow, seeing a brand new, perfectly shaped leaf unroll almost every single week builds your confidence and soothes any feelings of failure. Those cascading heart-shaped leaves soften the rigid, harsh architectural lines of modern furniture, introducing a gentle, organic flow into your living space. Caring for it is wonderfully straightforward. You simply water it when the soil completely dries out, and it bounces right back. It is a beautiful daily reminder that brilliant growth comes from effortless routines. What if your living space lacks natural light entirely, and your demanding schedule makes you far too busy to remember a strict watering routine? Meet the Zeds plant, a living symbol of endurance and unwavering reliability. With its dark, incredibly glossy green leaves arranged perfectly along thick stems, it naturally catches and reflects whatever minimal light is available, instantly brightening up the darkest corners of your home. Mentally, the ZZ plant provides profound stability during chaotic times. Beneath the soil, it possesses thick rhizomes that store massive amounts of water. This evolutionary adaptation allows it to survive long periods of extreme drought and being completely forgotten. It represents deep inner strength and the remarkable ability to overcome adversity without showing distress. You can place a ZZ plant in a windowless office or a dim hallway. Water it perhaps once a month, and it will steadfastly maintain its calm, proud posture. The ZZ plant asks for absolutely nothing, yet it gives your space a touch of vibrant nature. But what if you want a natural indoor humidifier that also produces elegant, breathtaking blooms to soften your space? The peace lily is a masterclass in graceful beauty and biological utility. It elevates any room by pushing out pristine, white, flag-like flowers that hover elegantly above its lush, dark green foliage. Beyond its stunning appearance, scientific studies have proven that the peace lily excels at reducing mold spores floating in the air, making it an incredibly functional plant for anyone who suffers from seasonal indoor allergies. The true psychological magic of the peace lily lies in its dramatic communication style. When it is thirsty, the entire plant will droop over the edges of its pot, looking completely exhausted. However, the exact moment you provide it with a deep drink of water, it stands right back up within a few hours. This interaction teaches us a vital lesson in voicing our own needs when our internal energy is depleted, showing us that total recovery is always possible. Keep its soil slightly moist and let it bring total serenity to your room. But what if your interior design feels a little too delicate, and you want a plant that brings bold, heavy drama to anchor your entire room? The rubber plant is the perfect solution. With its massive, thick, deep emerald green leaves, it is a magnificent biological filter, specifically noted for its ability to clear airborne formaldehyde from your home. Additionally, its massive leaf surface area acts just like a static dust magnet, naturally pulling floating particles out of the air you breathe. Spatial psychology shows that plants with dark colors and solid tree-like structures provide a massive grounding effect for human beings. The rubber plant creates substantial visual weight, making a large, empty room feel instantly cozy and highly secure. Caring for the rubber plant introduces a wonderful element of active mindfulness into your week. Because those large leaves collect dust, you must periodically take a soft, damp cloth and gently wipe each leaf clean. This methodical act forces you to slow your breathing and engage in a quiet, nurturing physical activity. Speaking of indoor air quality, what if your skin, eyes, and respiratory system are constantly dried out by central heating and indoor air conditioning? The Boston Fern is widely considered one of the absolute best biological humidifiers that nature has ever created. Through a process called transpiration, it constantly absorbs water from its soil and releases pure, clean moisture back into your ambient air, naturally soothing dry skin and irritated throats. Mentally, the expansive, arching form of the Boston Fern, overflowing with thousands of delicate green leaflets, evokes the powerful imagery of a cool, undisturbed rainforest. It instantly calms your central nervous system the exact moment you look at it. Hanging a large, lush fern in a bright bathroom or suspending it in a living room window completely softens the energy of the entire space. It requires consistently moist soil and a relatively cool environment, teaching us how to pay attention to subtle environmental changes and how to maintain a delicate daily balance in our own lives to truly thrive. But what if you need a classic, elegant climbing plant that actively fights airborne allergens and brings a touch of old-world romance to your space? The English ivy is famous in botanical circles for its aggressive ability to significantly reduce indoor mold particles and airborne bacteria in just a matter of hours. It is an absolute workhorse when it comes to purifying the air circulating in older homes or damp apartments. Psychologically, the climbing and rooting nature of ivy symbolizes ultimate perseverance and the relentless ability to overcome any physical obstacle. Watching its soft, trailing vines slowly stretch out to cover a bookshelf or cascade down from a high shelf creates a profound sense of suspended time. It turns a chaotic modern room into a romantic fairy tale escape, completely detached from the demanding outside world. Caring for English ivy is quite simple. It prefers cool environments and bright, indirect light. When the vines grow too long, simply snipping them back encourages the plant to grow fuller and thicker. What if a plant could not only purify the air in your home, but also physically heal your body when you are injured? Aloe Vera is a living, breathing first aid station. While it sits quietly on your windowsill, it constantly pulls harsh chemical cleaning agents out of your indoor air. But its true, undeniable value lies trapped inside its thick, fleshy, serrated leaves. Those leaves are filled with a cooling, deeply soothing gel that instantly relieves minor kitchen burns or intense summer sunburns. Having a living healer growing right in your kitchen gives you a deep sense of autonomy and profound peace of mind. Psychological studies show that owning highly functional, useful plants makes human beings feel significantly more capable and secure in their environment. Aloe vera is a desert succulent, which means it absolutely loves bright, direct sunlight baking through a window. It simply asks that you drench the soil completely and then leave it alone until the dirt is bone dry. It is a brilliant lesson in self-sufficiency and natural healing. Finally, what if you need a plant that connects directly to your physical sense of smell to immediately calm your racing nervous system? Rosemary is not just a standard culinary herb used for cooking. It is a living, highly interactive aromatherapy session waiting on your counter. Scientific studies have proven that simply inhaling the scent of fresh rosemary enhances memory retention, dramatically improves mental focus, and significantly lowers the stress hormone cortisol in your bloodstream. From a strict mindfulness perspective, rosemary demands physical, tactile interaction. Every single time you walk past it, simply brushing your fingers through its dense, needle-like foliage releases its powerful essential oils into the air. That sharp, incredibly fresh scent acts as a biological circuit breaker, instantly pulling your wandering, anxious mind right back to the present physical moment. Place your rosemary in the absolute sunniest spot in your house. Ensure the soil drains rapidly, and let this ancient herb clear the heavy fog in your mind. We have just explored 10 unique, powerful plants, each offering a distinct and deeply beautiful path to a healthier, more balanced daily life. Your home does not have to be a sterile, stressful environment. By bringing these botanical healers indoors, you are actively choosing to purify your air, calm your nervous system, and surround yourself with the resilient, quiet energy of the natural world. Which of these green healers are you most excited to welcome into your personal space first? Are you drawn to the dramatic communication of the peace lily, the protective energy of the snake plant, or the tactile aromatherapy of fresh rosemary? Please share your thoughts and choices in the comments below. If this video helped you discover a new sense of peace and inspired you to build your own indoor sanctuary, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more natural wellness guides. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch, and may your home always be a sanctuary of profound peace and continuous growth.